I got stopped yesterday. I was walking out of a movie theater. Montgomery, the Freebird. Yeah, hey man. I like it when you do that Freebird thing. Like, that's when you walked out of a show of mine remembering is that I did that Freebird thing. That's good. That makes me feel good about all the other effort I'm putting into the other stuff. But the Freebird thing, okay, thanks, man. It's also. So, since I'm doing them both together, Stairway to Heaven and Freebird, we're going to call it Stairway to Freebird. We'll short little medley. I'm going to do them both at the same time.
Keep the slide right here. I'll bust it out when I need it. Sure. You stay there. Bonus harmonics. Combo there.
I wasn't feeling it right there. If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? I must be driving on now. There's too many places I've got to see, and I hope you can see that. And she's buying a stairway to freedom. There it is. The Freebird guy.